Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is story writing. It is a very important topic from the point of view of board examinations as well as for our day-to-day life conversations. Also, it can be very helpful in improving our English speaking fluency. It can be used as an essay in any competition or any examination. Basically, in this question, we are given 2 to 3 sentences and we have to continue the story and name it. And in the last, we have to write moral of the story. So let's proceed towards our video. Essay writing competition. It was a day of achievement and success. At the first time, I won the first prize in essay writing competition. When the information was given about competition in the class, I was initially hesitant. But my teacher motivated and encouraged me. No doubt, my handwriting is good and my ideas for presentation was also excellent. There were 50 participants in the open group. This competition was held on Teachers' Day in my school. The subject of this competition was the teacher's role and the students' expectations. There was a lot of excitement. All participants came before and sat in the hall. The teacher distributed papers. I wrote my essay with full of excitement. On the next day, when I reached school, my name was written on the notice board. Congratulations for the first prize. I thanked to teachers, God and my mom. My first prize was 200 rupees and I donated to my nearest orphanage hostel. Moral of the story is planning for preparation makes us successful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.